It's Margarita, and today we are taking it to the bedroom. That's right, with Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Now, y'all know I am a sucker for a good name. Yes, when I heard about this one, I just had to hurry up and buy it. I blind ordered it from Macys. When the fragrance first came out, I missed it. And I don't know if Macys had it. I know they have the makeup line, Too Faced, but I don't think they had the fragrance. Everybody was talking about how great this fragrance was, if nothing else for the name. So I caught it in their sale they had a couple weeks ago. And I'm like, yes, let me see what all the hype is about. So the question is it better than you know what? Let me tell you. The presentation is really nice. It's very boudoir-like. It looks like something you would have in your lingerie drawer or on your dresser where you keep your unmentionables. Let's see how it smells. The atomizer just kind of, I don't know if you can see this blast of concentrated liquid. It just kind of shoots out. The bottle is interesting. It's got these little, it's got these handles. One just fell off. So I don't recommend moving them around too much. And it's got these flowers on it. They look kind of pastry-like, the flowers that you see on a birthday cake or a wedding cake. And the bottle itself is lackluster had it not been for the design on the top. This is cute, this jeweled top. It's plastic, but it's really cute. While this is drying down, let me read the notes. Passion fruit, citruses, peach, lychee, rose, magnolia, jasmine, orchid, patchouli, musk, cedar, amber, and sandalwood. Now these notes scream girly girl for some reason. And it smells girly. I do not see this as being a sexy fragrance. This is a very girly fragrance. It's also very powdery. And it reminds me of Delina. Somewhat. It's better than Delina in my opinion. I do not like Delina by Parfums de Marly or any of the flankers. The Delina Exclusive or the Delina En Rosé or En Rose. I'm not sure how they pronounce it. You know those French words. But actually no, it's Lackluster. Anywho, let me know in the comments what it's supposed to be. Y'all know which one I'm talking about though. They're all rose dominant fragrances with this tart note, and I think lychee might be in those as well. So it's better than Delina, but not better than what it claims to be in the name. It is not sexy at all. This is something you would wear. You could wear this to church, actually. It is the opposite of sexy, in my opinion, and at least on me. And I think it's because the lychee is actually brightening it up. It's got patchouli, which is typically a sexy note, as a lot of people would think. But I don't really get the patchouli. I am getting all kinds of powdery, bubbly girliness, almost like someone who should not be partaking in the activity that's named on the bottle. So that said, has it worked for you? And do you feel sexy in this fragrance? I personally do not. I would see, it's lipsticky too. Think like Lipstick On by Margiela or there's another Lipstick Fever, I think by J Hag, Juliet Has a Gun. It's like you're getting ready for a date, but not actually on the date. I think they might have missed the mark on the name. Do you feel sexy in this? Let me know in the comments. Also, like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about the sexy, the unsexy, and what on earth is that of fragrance. Until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.